In this video, we show how to reset an SMP Gateway to its factory settings. This method can be used with any SMP Gateway with a USB console port, such as SMP SG4260 and SMP 4DP. A factory reset may be needed for a few different reasons. It could be because the device is unresponsive after trying multiple troubleshootings, because you forgot the password and you cannot access it anymore, or because you need to downgrade the firmware version. A factory reset erases all sensitive contents on the SMP Gateway internal storage, including SMP firmware, except for bootstrap code and operating system, all internal files and folders, soft PLC code, SMP Gateway configuration file, and the device network card settings. A factory reset doesn't work over the network, and the device should be physically connected to your computer using a USB cable. To start the process, open the SMP Manager software. A USB connection is defined by default in the list of devices. Now, when you connect the USB cable between the computer and the SMP Gateway, this USB connection starts first blinking in red, and once the connection is established, in green and yellow. To start a factory reset, go to Update menu and select Restore Factory Settings. A message reminds you that you will lose all information on this device. If authentication is not set on the device, or if you already have the right password, the device will reset and then restart. However, if access is denied because you forgot the password, click on Lost Password, write down the code, and send it to Eaton's technical support team. They will get back to you with an unlock code that will let you complete the reset process. Once the reset is done, the device will restart in max safe mode. This means your SMP Gateway only has its bootstrap and operating system software. To put the SMP Gateway back in operation, you need to reinstall the SMP Gateway firmware, put a new configuration file in the SMP Gateway, and set the IP address of the device in its network settings menu.